hey, let's take a second and write a CI workflow that runs tests for my Deno application. So this is actually really straightforward. We'll create a new folder called .github. It's going to be a hidden folder, and then a folder in that called workflows, and then I've created a file called ci.yml. So in this file, we're going to give it a name. I'm going to call it CI, and then we're going to give it on triggers. So these triggers are when the CI is going to run, or the workflow is going to run. So in my case, I want to run these on push for branches main, and then on pull requests that target branch main. I'm going to specify some jobs. Specifically, I've got one called test, and I'm giving it a name of test, and I'm saying that it runs on Ubuntu latest. I need to give this some permissions so it has the ability to clone the repository, so I'm giving it the read permission. Now I'm specifying some steps. Our first step is going to be to clone the repo. I'm going to use actions checkout at v3. I'm going to install Deno using denoland setup Deno at v2, and I'm specifically saying use Deno version 2.x. Now I'm going to run my tests. This is as simple as running Deno test. And with that in mind, let's go ahead and commit this, and we'll make sure that the workflow works. Add in CI workflow. Okay, give this a quick push, and our workflow should be running. Add in CI workflow, we click test, give this a second to run, and through the magic of editing, I won't make you watch this. Actually, wow, I didn't even need to edit it. It was very quick. So you can see that we install Deno, we run our tests. This project only has a couple tests at the moment, but you can see here that they are passing, and then we clone clean up afterwards. So that's it. We've added a workflow to run tests at the CI level for a Deno application.